Hi, my name is Catherine at Empowered Frontiers. I am here to do a review on Leadler. What is Leadler? Leadler will help you be an expert in email marketing, and it will also help you to make massive profits the moment you use this. It has many features. It can send unlimited email, text, and social media messages. You can build your list with one-click opt-in for users. You can get 100% verified email addresses instantly. There is this easy to use drag and drop design, and you can choose from a range of stunning templates. You can also make huge profits every time you send an email. You can get high quality, high converting leads to make more money. You can stay compliant with the regulations, and you can enjoy a 72% higher opt-in rate. All right, there are many more things that you can read in the sales page. Do scroll through and enjoy the many testimonial of those who have purchased this product and how they have benefited financially, and how this has helped them convert much more easier. Now, should you consider buying this product, you will come into this members area. Now, here is the dashboard of the software, and it will show you the leads that you have, the campaigns that you have made, and the links that you have put through, and so forth, right? And then there are many other functions. In these integrations, it will shows you all the network that you have of the different platforms. It will show you the campaigns that you will be doing, right? And all the links that you have put in, right? And all the leads, and it will tells you the unlimited emails that you have sent, and the training that will go with it, and the bonuses that you will get, and the support. Now here I would like to show you what the vendor will be giving you in terms of bonuses. Bonus number 1 is infinite webinar. Bonus number 2 is the Insta Profit app. Bonus number 3 is Affiliate Easy. Bonus number 4 is a Flipper Cash Secrets. Bonus number 5 is the Internet Marketing Methods Case Study. Bonus number 6 is the Facebook group. And this product will come with a 365-day money-back guarantee. Now, should you decide to buy this product, you will click on to the link at the description below, and you'll come to this bonus page. With this bonus page, should you decide to buy the product to secure it, the software and the bonuses, do click on any of the green buttons on this page. There is a prices and upsell section. Front end, you will get the software and the training modules. Upsell number 1, Leadler Pro. Going at the down sale of $27, it gives you the unlimited features of campaigns and leads without any restrictions to experience a maximum return. It is recommended for you to pick up these upsells for your benefit. Upsell number 2 is Leadler Done For You templates, going for $47. These are the Done For You templates, and they will help you to get started and to accelerate the results that you would like to see with this software. Upsell number 3 is the Leadler Enterprise, going for $47 down sell. Now, in this particular upgrade, you will have the ability to start a brand new business by providing lead generation services to clients, right? Now, upgrade number 4, Leadler Done For You setup, going for $97. So this is a upsell that everything is done for you. So it will make ease, you experiencing the returns of what you have invested in this product. Upsell number 5 is Leadler Fortune 500 Profit. Now, this is a 500 of their best-selling products that you can have for only $27. Upsell number 6, Leadler Golden Membership at $27. This is $1 million sold products for free with commercial license. This is upsell number 7, Leadler resellers rights. Here you get the rights to sell Leadler as your own product and reap all the commissions that come with it. Should you decide to buy this product under my link, you will get additional bonuses from me. Bonus number 1 is my 3-in-1 profitable email marketing app. This is a simple cloud-based autoresponder that allows you to get started with a profitable email marketing business model. And it comes with a squeeze page creator, which all in all will give you a proven increased click rates and conversions. Bonus number 2 is learn how to master ClickBank. Now, this is to learn how to be successful in affiliate marketing to thousands of digital products promoted in ClickBanks. This will teach you how to get good engagement with your subscribers and how to get good open rates to your email. Bonus number 4 is access goodwill. Now, this will teach you a principle of giving away freebies and on return, reap conversions in the process of sending the traffic to these freebies. So you get a goodwill out of what you give out in return. Bonus number 5 is free access to all bonuses from the vendor. What you get by purchasing Leadler? You will get send unlimited mobile apps for lifetime, which value at 9,990. Turn any website link to fully fledged mobile app in minutes, that value at 1,590. High quality training included for making 3 figures a day, $490. Free commercial rights, $1,990. Done for you template to build app instantly, $290. End-to-end SSL and encryption to safeguard your data and 24/7 malware protection, $490. You get 24/7 customer support and double your money back guarantee, all valued at over $14,000. And now you can get the product for $17, and with the discount you can get less. Now there is also another offer. It calls the bundle offer. So should you choose to take the front end special plus all the upgrades for a one-time fee, all right, everything is included in the package, all right, and you can get it for $230 bundle deal. Decide to buy this product, do click on to the any of these green buttons here to secure your software copy and your bonuses. Thank you for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. See you at the next review.